In today's episode, I'm making a very quick microwavable chocolate cake. Hi there and welcome back to my channel. For a quick dessert or a late night craving, this is a perfect recipe. Let's check out the ingredients. Firstly, take a mixing bowl and add 3 tablespoons of oil to it. For vegan option, replace this egg with a tablespoon of applesauce. I'm adding castor sugar to this. You can add any sugar that you have. And now I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract and giving it a good mix before I add the dry ingredients. In goes a tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons almond flour, 1 tablespoon plain flour, and 1 tablespoon desiccated coconut or dry coconut powder. Whisk everything together and make it into a smooth batter. Now I'm adding some choco chips to this. This is completely optional. I'm using 2 greased dessert bowls and now I'm going to transfer the batter equally. I'm going to scoop the leftovers in the mixing bowl with a spoon and add to this. I really don't want to waste any of those bits. And now it's time to microwave them for just 2 minutes at 700 watts. They are now done. Leave them in the microwave for a minute. And to these hot chocolate cakes, I would like to add some vanilla ice cream. This is the best combination I can say, and my family just loves it. Now let's take a closer look. It's cooked so soft, and can you see those bubbles? It's just perfectly cooked. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe or leave a comment.